Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this beautiful, gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible, numbers matching LS5, 454 big block motor, power steering, power brakes, vintage air conditioning, with gorgeous interior and a 4-speed manual transmission. Underneath here, it has a white vinyl top in good condition, and you can see those in my photos. The paint on this car is just simply gorgeous. I do not see any cracking in the paint, just a very nice, slick paint job. Beautiful rally wheels, as you can see with the Goodyear tires, nice chrome all around. The trim is good. The weather stripping rubber is good on the car. The glass is good on the car. Everything is gorgeous. You even got beautiful interior, super clean, okay, as you can see there. Power windows, tilt wheel, and there's the 4-speed transmission with 455 foot-pounds of torque. Your vintage cassette Corvette radio there. Odometer is showing 54,000 miles. This car has a recent restoration and was kept in storage after that. So really not that many miles on or after the restoration on the Corvette. Just simply beautiful all around, guys. All inner outer door jambs, really nice. Underneath is super clean. Look how that door closes, really nice. There's your big block, numbers matching 454 motor, okay. Beautiful finish. Headlights do work. They do go up and down as they should. Okay, oh, let's get that closed properly. Okay. There you go. Beautiful. Let me start this puppy. It's an easy start. They tuned the carburetor for me. No issues, no problems. Listen to this puppy. Right. I usually do test drive these cars in my videos, but now it's November here and the weather, I'm not going to put this car in the elements. That's how nice it is from top to bottom, guys. I did drive it before we purchased a car and took it in. And it does drive well, no overheating problems. Beautiful car. So if you need financing, it's not a problem. You'll need about 10% down. That's pretty average. Unless your score is 780 and higher, then we have a no money down option. But 10% down, financing available. Long-term low payments are available here. You can acquire within for that. For a credit application, go to mgmclassiccars.com. On the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the Finance tab. Go ahead and click it and fill out the application, and one of the loan officers will get back to you the following business day. Grab a pen before you will need that towards the end of the video if you're a serious buyer. MGM is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. If you guys wanted to fly into Chicago O'Hare Airport and check this car out in person, it's not a problem. We do welcome you guys. Bring your checkbook. So if you got that pen handy and you need transportation quote, you can call me or text me. I prefer text because I'm doing videos like this and photos every day here at MGM. My phone number is 847-848-1850. I will repeat that one more time towards the end of the video here. If you are watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. I got something super cool coming tomorrow. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. We're on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, all the good social media stuff, guys. Well, there you have it, guys. My 1972 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible LS5 454 numbers matching 4-speed manual transmission in restored condition. Call me or text me, 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching. MGMClassicCars.com. We have over 200 cars available. Check us out. Have a great day.